Hey, it's Lexus,
and Skylar.
and today we'll be talking about helpful and harmful bacteria. What is bacteria? Bacteria is defined as microscopic living organisms that can be found everywhere. They can be dangerous, such as infection, or beneficial, like the process of fermentation. There are millions of bacteria that make up humans, plants, and animals. Every bacteria is unique and specializes in a certain area, but a majority of them are found in the digestive system.
To start off, we will talk about harmful bacteria. Harmful bacteria are also known as pathogenic. Pathogenic bacteria is defined as a bacteria that can cause infection. It can be spread in various ways, such as through air, water, and touch. Some examples of infectious bacteria include Streptococci, Salmonella, E. coli, and Neisseria gonorrhoeae.
The first example of one of many pathogenic bacteria is Streptococcus group A, which can cause strep throat. Streptococci is spread airborne through contact of an infected person's sneeze or cough. The second example will be Salmonella, which affects the intestinal tract and causes infection through consumption of contaminated foods or water. E. coli is another common pathogenic bacteria which also causes serious illness or even death by food poisoning. The last example of a pathogenic bacteria is Neisseria gonorrhoeae, which can cause gonorrhea, a sexually transmitted disease.
These harmful bacteria are spread throughout the body by exotoxins or endotoxins. Exotoxins are toxins secreted by bacteria and then released outside the cell to spread infection. An example of this is Streptococci. Endotoxins are located within a cell and are released once bacteria cells lyse. An example is E. coli and Salmonella.
Even though bacteria gets a bad rep, it is actually very important to the human body. Bacteria can be beneficial to the human body in various ways, such as producing vitamins, helping the body with digestion, and keeping the body healthy in general. Not only are bacteria beneficial to the human body, but they can also be beneficial to our environment.
Helpful bacteria benefits humans in many ways. For one, bacteria is used to create many products we eat, such as cheese, yogurt, pickles, soy sauce, and vinegar. These products contain a good bacteria called probiotics. Probiotics are found in dairy foods or dietary supplements, and they contain live bacteria that replace or add beneficial bacteria to your intestines. Bacteria live commensally in humans and provide health benefits by aiding in digestion and the prevention of colonies of pathogenic bacteria. We are actually made up of more bacterial cells than human cells.
Some other examples of helpful bacteria include Lactobacillus, which aids us in the process of digestion, Bifidobacterium, which helps repair stomach ulcers, and Streptococcus thermophilus, which can prevent abdominal cramps, diarrhea, nausea, and gastrointestinal symptoms associated with the intolerance of lactose products that we eat.
Lastly, we will talk about how bacteria is beneficial to our environment. Helpful bacteria is also capable of producing enzymes that are necessary for the buildup and breakdown of organic compounds that we use for our environment. One way bacteria can be beneficial is through decomposition of waste in septic tanks and sewage. Also, some species of bacteria are known to help clean harmful pollutants from the environment.
We hope the information was helpful.
See you next time.
Streptococci is spread airborne through touch.
The bacterial cell lyse.
Even though
An example is E. coli and Okay.
The second example will be Salmonella.
Start off, we will talk about
What is going on?
every time.